promo number 2 is a countdown. It will count down from now until a specified date in the future. We will not waste time by changing the text because we already know how to do that from previous videos. So let's see how can we specify a date. So select the promo and go to Properties, and here we have End Date field. So it takes date in the format month, like, so let's put July 20th, 2015. And we have to do page refresh for these new settings to take effect. So today is July 9th and it is 10 days and 9 hours to July 20th. Another thing we can change is the background. So we can change the color with background color property. Or we can set up the background image. Here it is. And like in this case, we could also change the color of the text to make it darker. And I want to show you also something here. It's a little bit advanced topic, but it's good to know. How can we customize colors through editing CSS rules? So let's say we want to change the color of the countdown text. And we select an element and then we choose Show CSS Rules. So here we will see which rules affect the selected element because the active checkbox is selected. And we have to find the place where color is specified. So we can find here like digits, the color of the font is there. And although we could just go and edit this rule, that's not a very good idea because we would be editing CSS rules in blocks CSS, and then which is a CSS file which comes together with blocks, and in the future if we would get new version and would override the files, we would lose our modifications. So the correct approach is to override the style in our custom CSS file. So to do that, let's go here and select Edit Code and just copy the selector of the rule. And then here on Custom CSS, we will create the rule with the same selector. And then we go down to Font and Text, Color, and here it is. We can do the same for days, and we find a place where the color is defined. That's this rule. Copy the selector and create the same rule in Custom CSS where we can change the text color. So that's a proper way to customize blocks using CSS styling.